The defining aesthetic of a luxury kitchen is absence. In modern design, appliances are expected to vanish into custom woodwork, leaving nothing but a seamless architectural wall of cabinetry. A standard refrigerator aligns its chassis with the counter, leaving doors protruding. A true integrated unit sits perfectly flush with cabinetry. Achieving this requires specialized hinges and front-venting thermodynamics, allowing a uniform 3mm gap. Traditionally, this level of precision has been the exclusive territory of legacy brands, where a fully paneled 36-inch unit often costs $12,000 or more. The Fisher & Paykel RS36A80J1 and platform offers an alternative, with a base price starting closer to $6,000. It promises the same elite flush integration and high-end aesthetic as competitors that cost twice as much. Measuring the value of this platform requires looking at the additional hardware costs, the cooling logic, and specific mechanical installation demands. Understanding the engineering and financial realities is necessary before committing to an invisible kitchen built around this specific chassis. Purchasing the base unit provides only the mechanical cooling chassis. It arrives without finished door panels, handles, or a toe kick. This modularity gives you the choice to match bespoke wooden cabinetry or opt for a factory-finished stainless steel look. The $6,000 base chassis is just the foundation. Proprietary stainless steel panels and a handle kit add over $1,000. A toe kick plus a 5-year water filter subscription for the internal ice maker adds another $1,000 to the final total. The initial sticker price quickly scales past $7,500 once the unit is functional and aesthetically complete. This figure still does not account for the specialized professional labor required to anchor and align the unit into a custom alcove. Budgeting for this platform requires accounting for the entire modular kit. The design's flexibility comes at a higher cost than the base MSRP suggests. Performance is driven by ActiveSmart technology, a system that moves away from simple thermometers and uses algorithmic climate control. A microprocessor and variable speed fans analyze your household habits. If doors are opened frequently during dinner preparation, the system proactively lowers the internal temperature to counter the influx of warm air. Maintaining a stable environment prevents microscopic ice crystals from damaging the cellular structure of your food, extending the lifespan of fresh produce. To maintain the uninterrupted exterior panel, this model uses a dedicated internal ice maker rather than an external door dispenser. This requires a trade-off. You lose the convenience of external water and ice to gain the perfectly flush architectural finish. Eliminating the door dispenser removes the single most common failure point in modern refrigerators. Moving ice through a door is mechanically complex and prone to jamming. Reliability data from Yale Appliance provides a field benchmark. Fisher & Paykel holds a 12.6% first-year service rate, comparable to Miele and Thermador, outperforming Bosch. Because integrated refrigerators often require service for minor alignments, this places the platform in the upper echelon of reliability. Bypassing the door dispenser is a strategic choice that prioritizes mechanical longevity and thermal stability. Creating a seamless look requires mathematical precision during the installation process. The cooling system breathes through a concealed lower plinth, allowing tight wood encapsulation without overheating. Custom panels are managed by heavy-duty articulating hinges that push the door forward before swinging outward, preventing the edge from binding against cabinets and preserving a tiny 3mm gap. However, custom wood panels must stay under 19 kilograms. Exceeding this weight will stress the hinges and cause the soft close mechanism to fail. The unit requires heavy-duty anti-tip brackets to anchor it to wall studs, as the center of gravity shifts forward when fully opened. Final calibration requires multi-axis micro-adjustments using specialized depth gauges, which makes professional installation mandatory. The final aesthetic depends entirely on the installer's skill. Using inexperienced labor for an integrated unit is a significant risk to your investment. The Fisher & Paykel platform trades the simplicity of a standard refrigerator for elite aesthetics and proactive food preservation. Does this fit your project? Path A, a full custom remodel. It delivers a flush luxury look for under $10,000. A strong buy. Path B, replacing a fridge in an existing kitchen. Complex anchoring requirements make this a definitive avoid. This platform is built specifically for users who value architectural continuity and reliable internal cooling over external features. Achieving the perfect flush finish requires meticulous coordination between the homeowner, the cabinet maker, and the installer. When the modular costs are properly budgeted and the installation protocols are followed, this unit is one of the strongest value propositions in the luxury market.